Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook delicious hibachi chicken at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into 1-inch pieces. Marinate it for at least 30 minutes in a simple mixture of soy sauce, mirin, and a touch of sesame oil. Also, prepare your favorite hibachi vegetables, such as zucchini, onions, and mushrooms, cut into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your griddle or a large cast iron skillet to a medium-high temperature. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed oil, ensuring it's shimmering hot. Place your marinated chicken pieces onto the hot surface in a single layer. Cook them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, flipping occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked through. While your chicken rests, it's time for the vegetables. Use the same hot griddle, adding another half tablespoon of oil if needed. Add your prepared zucchini, onions, and mushrooms. Sauté them for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently until they are tender crisp. You want them to retain a slight bite, not become mushy. Season them simply with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a splash of soy sauce for that authentic flavor. Your homemade hibachi chicken is ready. Serve the hot chicken and vegetables immediately. This meal pairs perfectly with a generous portion of fluffy steamed white rice. Don't forget to offer your favorite hibachi sauces on the side, such as a tangy ginger sauce or a creamy yum-yum sauce. For an extra touch, garnish your plates with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and some freshly chopped green onions. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.